I have never seen a camper van with a slide out before. This is James Cook, 5.9 metres with a full length rear bed. That's amazing. So, sorry, let me see that. So you've got full 4 seat belts, decent headroom. Let me dump that out the way. So that, yeah, decent headroom there. And then obviously you've got the pop top. So you've got a big bed up there, but you've got a slide out bed, which is awesome. And that is full proper length. I'm not going to climb on it and mess it up. It's brand new on the show. But that's, I could easily lay out on that. That's 6 foot. And it's wide. Like, I don't know if you can see, but you could easily get 2 people on that. I have never seen that before. So I'm guessing that whole section there slides in, so it would come into here. Now, I mean, this bit's a little bit claustrophobic, but it's a van. Let's have a look. Ooh. So, this is a wet room. You can funky chicken, I'll tell you what, I'll funky chicken there. Yeah, it's tight, but it's not crazy. And then, decent sized fridge with a little freezer compartment. That's neat. We've got a whole fly screen here, it says not to do it. And those are humongous drawers. I like how they're soft closed too. Is it going to shut by itself? Is it going to shut by itself? Yes. Storage underneath. I always like this part of camper vans. I don't know what that is. It does things. And then you've got a big bit under there. I'm so excited by that. Sockets. Left-hand drive wheel. It's Mercedes. A left-hand drive Mercedes. Sorry, hello, I'm chatting to myself.
Well, right.
It's nice, isn't it? I'm so excited by this.
That's right. I had no idea who you were talking to. I went to the back and was like, "There's nobody here."
Oh, bless you!
And then I realised that you were doing this.
I'm just. Every bathroom I go, it's become a thing. I have to funky chicken because the problem I've got being so much taller, you can't wash your hair.
Yeah.
It drives me nuts.
Right, okay.
So it's just become a thing on my channel where I have to funky chicken. Great. It was. I mean, it's more compact than a motorhome because it's a van. Yeah. But you've got a slide out.
Yeah.
I've never seen it. Awesome. Quite excited about that. Yeah, it's really nice.
Okay.
Really nice. No, it's lovely. How much is it? I'm trying to find a price somewhere. Ah, it's hidden in the corner. So is it like a limited edition? No, we've got motorhome.
Okay.
I haven't got a camper. But is it a limited edition, is it?
It's not a limited edition, it's new.
Is it?
So we haven't even had one in the showroom yet.
No,
so
fantastic.
they've been at the shows, but we can order them. I think we've if you wanted them, it's probably about a 12-month wait.
Wow. I want to see. Can you get in there? Yes, you can. Well, that's quite cool. I problem is I'm just kneeling like an idiot.
We're talking